Hey everybody, editing Chris here, and I want to start this and apologize for the poor audio. I'm using a brand new microphone and just plugged it in without anything else. Didn't really know, didn't notice or realize that the audio was crap before I came back home and edited the video. So it'll be fixed in the next one, so try to enjoy the video. Well, hi friends, welcome back. It's been a while. Yeah, let's go on a drive, then find something interesting. Right, so I finally found something. Just over here is, well, it's a rancher's field, but it is just chock full of wildflowers. Good old springtime in the Rockies is quite fun, and it's cloudy out today, and it's been raining off and on for the past couple of days as well. So no sunshine. I mean, I do see patches of blue sky over here. I might get something over there too. Let's have a look-see. Well, I found a trailhead, and unfortunately I'm not prepared for it. So I'm gonna come back out when I'm more prepared. And it's not the only thing I found. I found some good stuff. There's some fun stuff out here, out north of Bozeman is where I currently am, and the trail is North Cottonwood. And I would go out today, but it's raining and I don't have my rain gear, number one. So yeah, there's a hike in the near future here. You know, I gotta say, this is turning out to be a pretty good day. Even though it's cloudy, I love shooting on cloudy days in the rain. Oh, it's so awesome. You get mad cool shots like this when you know where to find them. And I'm just pulled off the side of the road, you know, I'm not driving around. I found that, and oh yeah, man, this is good fun. Alrighty, friends, I'm driving back to town now. It's a fun afternoon. I lived in Bozeman a couple years ago, and I never made it this far out of town. I never really explored much around town or even got out of town, and I'm glad I did. This was more of an exploratory mission, and I just wanted to get out and shoot today. Even though it was cloudy, I still made the best of it. The results are in the video, obviously. And so, thanks for coming along. This was fun. Really enjoyed the afternoon. Now it's starting to rain. I'm gonna go and do some other things this afternoon. Edit this video and do some photo editing too. I'm excited, man. And sorry it took me so long to get a video out. I think there was a lot of time, at least a month and a half or so, between my first video and this one. I just had some personal things going on that I had to deal with. But now you can expect a regular schedule. I'm not going to say anything more specific than that. And so please, if you've made it to the end of this video, feel free to like, share with some of your friends, comment if you feel it's so necessary, and please hit subscribe. And as I'm trying to grow this channel and show off my work, show off a little bit of my work, and I'm excited. I'm excited for the summer, man. I'm excited for a lot of things. And hopefully, certainly y'all are going to be along for the ride. Take care. Have a great day. And I'll see you in the next one.